guess what this is, guys? This tastes so delicious and is so creamy. So if you know about my egg buns recipe, definitely you must know about this. So I'm going to show you how to make this in a different way, although I shared it in a different way when I made the egg buns, but here is a simple and different way again. So you need your hard-boiled egg. You're going to mash the hard-boiled eggs very well. Then you're going to add some ketchup. Okay, after adding the ketchup, here I added oyster sauce. In the other one I use soy sauce. Here I'm using oyster sauce. So I added some oyster sauce. Then I went in with some mayonnaise. Okay, then added some sugar, added a little bit of chicken seasoning, then adding some liquid milk. Okay, so after adding the liquid milk, I went in with some salt and a little bit of ginger garlic powder. Okay, so once I was done adding all those, I made sure I combine everything together, guys. So after combining it together, I just had to add extra um ketchup and extra milk to it. So I added extra tomato ketchup, and also added just a bit of extra milk to it to to make it more nutritious, more delicious, more creamy, more milky, guys. Oh my goodness, if you're someone that doesn't love eating egg or any recipe with egg, try this and definitely you're going to get hooked. So next time if you're making my egg buns, try this one. I also use it in my egg buns. Use it in any recipe you want to use it, even in your eggs in your sandwich. You will love it absolutely.